In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and use Tableau Bridge in just 5 minutes. Let's get started with the process, which is straightforward and easy to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and make your way to Google. In the search bar, type Tableau Bridge Download and hit Enter. The top search result should guide you directly to the Tableau Bridge page. Go ahead and click on the Tableau Bridge link. This will take you to the official Tableau support page. Once you're there, look for a link that says View the current version and give that a click. If you don't have a Tableau account yet, now's the time you'll be prompted to create one. But don't worry, this is a simple process, and having an account is quite beneficial for accessing various Tableau services. If you already have an account, simply click on Log In Now. After you click the link, enter your email address and password associated with your Tableau account. Hit the Sign In button and you'll be logged in. Now you're getting closer to downloading Tableau Bridge. The next step is to select your system, whether it's Windows or Linux, depending on your operating system. Choose the appropriate option for your device. Now that you've selected your operating system, click on the Tableau Bridge link to start the download. Once the download is complete, navigate to your File Explorer and locate the downloaded .exe file. Double-click this file to start the installation process. During the installation, you'll be prompted to read and accept the license agreement. Make sure you review it thoroughly. Once you're satisfied, accept the agreement and continue with the installation. Then click Install to finalize and complete the process. The installation should only take a few moments, and then you'll have Tableau Bridge ready to go. To launch it, simply double-click the Tableau Bridge shortcut that should now be on your desktop. Upon launching, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Tableau Cloud credentials. Do so, and you'll have access to all the features you need. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded, installed, and now know how to use Tableau Bridge. Follow any on-screen instructions that appear to further set up and complete your Tableau Bridge experience. This fantastic tool will help you integrate and manage your data connections seamlessly, enhancing your data insights capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and don't hesitate to revisit any of these steps if you need to. Enjoy using Tableau Bridge, and see you next time.